For me, the most important thing that I always keep in mind when I teach students is empathic listening. My name is Tuan and I'm a teacher in Intertu Education. My background is physics, but I also teach math for high school students here. I graduated in 2018 in the University of Education with physics major, and I have nearly 7 years of teaching experience in VNU HTM, High School for the Gifted. Later on, I paused my career to pursue my master's degree in Taiwan, where my research mainly focused on fabricating search biosensors for DNA detection. So after that, I decided to go back to Vietnam to continue my teaching career. The reason why I chose to go back instead of just keeping on studying for my PhD is because teaching is my passion since I was a little boy. So I remember in the past when my mom asked me, what would you want to do in the future? That time I was like an 8-year-old boy and I was like, okay, mom, I want to be a teacher because I think everyone needs to go to school, everyone needs to study, everyone needs to learn to become whatever they want. So I think teacher is considered to be one of the most important careers of all. So that's why I chose teaching as my main career. So in my opinion, teachers adapt the teaching method based on subjects, based on students' age, and even based on learning environment. For me, the most important thing that I always keep in mind when I teach students is empathic listening. So what is empathic listening? Empathic listening is like, everyone had to go to school in the past. So they all had experience when they go to school, right? Students are just like us in the past. So teaching students is like you go back to your past, you see yourself studying, playing, but you cannot change them. You cannot change the past. You just listen to them. You just watch them grow. Instead of saying the students what to do, you have to do this, you have to do that, I will focus truly on listening to their perspective, listening to their thoughts. When I listen to them, I understand their behaviors. I understand their, for example, their reasoning for their behavior. I will tailor my instruction to be more accessible and to be more feasible to the student. So that is my style of teaching, and I firmly believe in its impact. Okay, so besides academic knowledge, I always try to interact with students, starting from some simple questions like how's their school life, how's their daily life, and gradually leading to some deeper discussions about life values, about aspirations and dreams, for example. When teaching theoretical concepts, I always try to connect them to real-life situations. This helps the student grasp the material easily, and it also helps students realize that sometimes theory can be very rigid and difficult to learn, but it holds meaningful value in their life. For example, when I teach efficiency is the ratio of the useful energy we get to the total energy we give out. As you know, in real life, the efficiency cannot be 100%. So I connect that to human relationships, for example. For example, when you give your all to someone, you cannot expect them to be the same in return. So if you expect too much, you will end up feeling very disappointed. So instead, if you give without any expectations, you will find satisfaction as you feel, okay, I did something good. So that kind of example is some of the things that I do every day in my teaching career. It's like I always connect the theory to real life situations for the students to be easier to learn. So to all the students studying at Intertu Education and to those all who are studying international programs, I want to wish you a fulfilling journey filled with valuable experience and knowledge. So challenges will arise, but I think if you give your best shot, everything will work out eventually. The exam's results do not define you. What truly matters, I think, is your attitude towards life. The right mindset will give you the key to success, and confidence earns respect. So just believe in yourself and keep moving forward to your goals and dreams.